Hey everyone, and welcome to day 38 of our Command 66-day challenge. So we are going to pick up where we left off yesterday. So we are inside of designs and we have set up all of our text and image and logos and our brand kit. So we're ready to look at what it looks like to actually create a design. But first I'm going to show you how to connect some accounts to designs to really make your time creating graphics even quicker. So I'm going to choose a Facebook graphic. So go through, choose whatever template you want on the left side. So whatever type you want to do, maybe a just listed or a just sold. And then we're going to choose Facebook first. So just whatever design you choose, just choose a Facebook version of it. So I'm going to pick this one because I love what it says on it. Come on in, the door's open. That's cute. So it's going to open up our design. If you have ever used Canva, as you're going through this, little pieces of it might feel really familiar, and that's because Canva is something they kind of modeled this off of. So Canva is really popular. I know we use it a lot in the office, and so they really said this is a great program. Let's kind of do what they're doing with it here. So before we actually get into designing something, which will be our next day of the challenge, but feel free to jump ahead and play around so that you're prepared for it for day 38. But here on the left side, you're going to be able to we're going to kind of talk through all the information we added and where that's going to appear. So your image library will be here. So your headshot should show up there. To the left of that, if you see company, you can click KW stock images, and you've got all kinds of stock photos to use. So if you weren't advertising maybe a specific listing or a specific open house, but just doing something else to generate business, you might use a photo like this. So this library will continue to grow. And if you go to the add feature on the left, I definitely wanted to touch on this. This is where you'll be able to just upload, so you can drag and drop an image here to add it onto your graphic that you're creating. You can also extract images from PDFs, which is really cool. And up here, all of these options are ways that you can connect your accounts to designs. So do you guys do maybe your listing photos in Google Drive or in a Dropbox file? If you do that, you can click on Google Drive. It'll take you here. You'll just sign in with it, and then you'll actually be able to see your albums for that in here. Same thing with Dropbox. Same thing with Instagram, Facebook pages, and Facebook. So if you click on the Facebook one, I can log into it here. And now all of my albums show up. So if you had already posted some photos about this listing when you got it, you could just grab that picture from there, pop it in here to make a quick post about the open house. If you continue down the left side, you'll have your text. So here are all those text items that we filled in when we were creating our brand kit. So I can click on this disclaimer and it's just going to pop it on here for me, and I can just resize it and change the color and pop it down here, on the bottom. So you're just really making things happen quicker for yourself and not having to type everything out every time. So that's the text in your library. If you go to the left, company, this is the other place that the disclaimer lives. So I just liked the idea of it being with all my other items that I might have to put in there frequently, but this is where it also lives as well as your ownership statement. So banners to the left. If you wanted to just make your text look really fun, you could pop one of these onto it and change the text to say whatever you wanted to say, but have it, have this great graphic design look to it. And again, you can also add here so you can extract from PDF. Icons. So if you've got any icons, they'll show up here. I don't think there's any under company right now, but there are stock ones. So you've got fun icons that you could pop onto your designs here. and then you can also add them. And then logos. So all of those logos you uploaded should show here for you, and you should be able to just pop it in there, resize it to what you need, and put it wherever you want it to be. So we will actually talk about creating the design and how to do it in the most efficient way by swapping photos and swapping logos and everything like that in our next challenge video. But feel free to go ahead and start playing around and using the system. And that is all for day 38 of our command challenge. Thanks for watching.